Hi there, my name is Ciaran Hodgers. I am a project manager for Writing on the Wall in Liverpool. It was a real pleasure to be part of the I Know, I Wish, I Will project by Eastside, working with schools all across the Liverpool City region, delivering spoken word workshops. I'm really excited to see the book in print and to revisit some of the fantastic work that the young people did. Today, I will be reading Dear World by Nicole Amarachi and Phoebe from St. Sebastian's and St. Cuthbert's Federation. Dear World, the sky is cloudy and grey, the result of air pollution. Some people have breathing problems, the result of air pollution. The ice caps are rapidly melting, the result of climate change. Many polar bears are homeless, the result of climate change. Deserts get hotter and hotter, the result of global warming. Forests are ablaze, the result of global warming. Animals are homeless, the result of global warming. In some places, it is better because some people care. Everyone is standing up because some people care. It is sad to say your trees are ashes. Tears roll down from my eyelashes. The thought of your animals being poached to death. People afraid to speak up, only saying this under their breath. Carelessly killing these beautiful creatures, pushing animals to perform at their very reaches. Monkeys wish to swing, yet there are no branches. The glaciers break, leaving the polar bears homeless. Their chances of finding a new habitat is hopeless. So please help me in my quest to find hope. Give Mother Nature a break. Let her cope. We see it and let it go. Our beautiful planet that has big problems. We are happy and sad like the world. We need to help it now. It will be dark and gloomy. No animals, no food, no home. Let's listen and do it. Make the world happy and safe again. This is why some people don't get to breathe normally. Why we need to stop pollution. We shall try to do the best of our abilities to stop all the international problems plaguing our world, because some people care. Thanks.